Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off ad blocker in Brave, right? You have two options. First one is for a single site or quick toggle. And the second option is for all of the sites, okay? So for quick toggles, let's say you go ahead over to Facebook right here. You can just easily turn off or toggle off ad blocker by just clicking on the shield icon right here at the top right. And then just click on the slider right here, okay? Click on it and make sure that it is disabled, and once that's done, you're good to go. Now for site-wide, okay, or all sites, just go ahead over to settings right here at the top right, click on the three horizontal lines, click on settings. Now click on, in the left panel, we have shields. Click on it. Now you can go ahead and disable this one, trackers and ads blocking. Disabled, okay? Or if you want to, you can disable all of it right here. Now, once that's done, go ahead and test it out. Open up a new tab. Go to Facebook or wherever you want. And on enter. And as you can see here, by default, it is now turned off. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.